So yesterday, just about me and about course, just one introduction given about myself, introduction given about course contents, just introduction discussed yesterday. Yes, today we'll start actual classes. So yesterday, 7:30 p.m. August, yes, introduction, first day introduction. Yes, just about me. This explained here yesterday. Next about course introduction. Next about prerequisites. Next about contents discussed. So this after this is yesterday topic. So in our course up to 13 version covering JDK 1.0 to 13. Okay. Yes. Now let us start actual classes. Let us start actual classes today. Okay. So first of all, what is Java? Simple question. What is Java? Yes, anyone can you answer this? What is Java? Simple question. Your knowledge. As per your knowledge, what is Java? Simple question. Very simple question. Yes, what is Java? Very simple question. Yes, you can ping in chat box. Here chat box is available. Answer you can ping in chat box. Once let me close this one chat. Yes, your idea. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java exactly? Yes, Chandrasekhar. Okay, good. So what is Java? Simple answer. What is Java means? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an OOPS language, object-oriented programming language. Java is a object-oriented programming language. Yes, OOP language. OOP stands for OOP means object-oriented, object-oriented, object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming here. Okay. So what is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, OOP language. So what is exact OOP? Object-oriented programming. We'll see next. OOPS concepts. It's a OOPS concept. The topic we'll discuss next. Okay. So Java software JDK, Java Development Kit, Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK Java software called as JDK. It's a JDK. JDK software. JDK Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. Yes, it's a first version. First version of Java. First version of JDK 1.0. It's a first version of Java. Yes, released. Yes, released in the year 1995. In the year 1995. Yes, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Just first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. Okay. So this first version is released with main features. First version released with main features. Main features of Java. Main features. Released with main features of Java. So what are the main features? Java main features. So Java main features. So what are the main features of Java here? Main features of Java. Main features of Java. So what are the main features of Java? First one, yes, independent of platform. Java main features. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Independent of platform. Main features of Java. First one, independent. First one, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Okay. So main features. One second, this guy is facing some issue. Yeah. Behind, okay. Yes, independent of platform. Second one, yes, portability. Portability. Second one, portability. So first one, independent of platform. Second one, portability. Portability. Next, third one, object-oriented programming language. OOP language. OOP language. OOP language. The main features here. OOP language. OOP language. 1 second. Some disturbance. Okay. Yes, muted everyone. Yes, just you can ping in chat box. Any doubts are there here? If any doubts are there, just ping me in chat box. The public chat box. Ping in chat box. I can see. Yes, I'm checking chat box. I can see your doubts. Ping in chat box. Okay. Suppose trying to talk, maybe disturbance getting here. So just muted everyone. I have muted everyone here. So here, ping in chat box. Any doubts are the ping in chat box? I can see chat box. I can reply. Okay. Yes. Main features of Java: independent platform, portability, OOPS language. Yes. Apart from this, next fourth one, scalability. Next one is scalability. 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 Next one, scalability here. Next one, security. These are the, yes, initial features of Java. Initial features. First version of Java. First version released with main features. Released main features. So released with main features. So main features of Java. These are the main features. So initially features like this. Later added so many features. Initially, these are the features: independent of platform, portability, OOPS language, scalability, security. These are the initial features of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java released with all the features here. They are main features. So they are initial features. Initial features. Okay. Initial features. See here, 1 second. Some guys. Yes, if unable to hear me, 1 second. Some guy facing issue. See. Yes, if unable to hear me. Yes, if unable to hear me, please rejoin. Yes, please rejoin the session. Okay. Select audio while joining. Select audio while joining. Okay. Yes, sir. Go to training. It's a go to training app. Just little bit issue. Yes, once GoToMeeting started, from next week onwards, GoToMeeting. Yes, sir. Why GoToTraining we are using here? Just information purpose. Yes, GoToMeeting. Yes, without information you can join, but GoToTraining you have to fill this information like your contact number, your Gmail ID, and all this, right? So for that purpose, we are using GoToTraining. Initially, first week GoToTraining, second week onwards GoToMeeting. So once GoToMeeting started, no issues. GoToMeeting, no issues. Okay, without filling any information, directly can connect. You can join into meeting. Next, one more thing: GoToTraining online team starting. GoToTraining, this app, online team starting. Yes, yet online team they are yes heavy load because of many trainers are there. So once a GoToMeeting started, I'll be launching from my system only here. In GoToMeeting, I'll be launching from my system. That case, no issues. If I'm launching, sharply starting. If I'm launching from my computer, sharply I'll start our class. Okay. Yes. So if any unable to hear me, please rejoin into session. Select audio while joining. Select audio while joining. Yes. Let us continue. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released with these main features. Okay. So JDK 1.0 released in the year 1995. 1995. 1995. Yes. I was in engineering. I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. 1995. At the time of releasing Java. At the time of releasing Java, I was in engineering. Okay, next. I was learning C language that time. I was just learning C language. Learning C language. Okay. So before Java came to the market here, already started learning software. Already have started learning software, C language. Okay. Yes, 1995. I was in engineering second year. Computer science, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, here only. Computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, 1995. Okay, learning C language and Windows OS also. Okay, so by the time of releasing Java, already I was learning software. Okay, so every version of Java, you know that. So here first version of Java released with these features here. So main features like independent of platform, portability, boot language, scalability, and security is the first version. Right. Next, JDK 1.1. Next was second version of Java. JDK 1.1. Yes, second version of Java. Second version of Java. Second version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1996. 1996. Second version of Java released in the year 1996. Okay, 1996. Okay. Yes, this JDK 1.1. In this JDK 1.1, here this was divided into 3 editions. JDK 1.1, here this is here divided. Yes, once this from the Java from the Sunsoft. JDK Java Development Kit. Yes, first version of Java released in the year 1995. Yes, it is from Sunsoft. It is from the Sunsoft. Java from the Sunsoft. Okay, Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay. See, Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft. Yes. It is basically from the Sunsoft. It is from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft taken over by Oracle Corporation in the year 2010. Oracle Corp in the year 2010. Yes, Oracle Corp. Yes, in the year 2010. Okay. Now Java with Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation in the year 2010. Now it's calling as Oracle Java. It's a Oracle Java. See, let me show that. Oracle Java. About JDK, download JDK. Suppose 1.8. See this from Oracle Corporation. Yes, Java from the Oracle Corporation. It is from the Oracle Corporation. Rights and everything with the Oracle Corporation. JDK with the Oracle Corporation with Oracle. Okay, so it was taken over by the Oracle Corporation in the year 2010. Okay. Yes, by the year 2010, Oracle Corporation has taken over many companies. They purchased many companies. They have become leader. Now Oracle Corporation is leader, no doubt. In software field, Oracle Corporation is the leader. Okay. Yes, to compete with Microsoft, to compete with SAP, like that, to compete with many companies. Oracle Corporation taken over many companies, and now it has become leader in software field. No doubt, Oracle Corporation is a leader in software field. So general business means maybe Facebook leader. Yes, maybe Amazon is a leader. General business. In business, Amazon, Facebook, they are the leaders. Okay. But in software field here, Oracle Corporation is the leader. No competitor for this Oracle Corporation nowadays. Okay. It has become leader in the software field. Yes. Most of the softwares with Oracle Corporation only. Most of the softwares with Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. So this is JDK 1.0, first version of Java released near 1995. Yes, it is from the sons of, now it is with Oracle Corporation, taken over in the year 2010. So first version of Java released with main features. Okay, main features of Java. These are the main features. Okay, next version, second version, JDK 1.1, second version of Java released in the year 1996. So the JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions, totally 4 editions. Fourth edition later added, totally 4 editions. That fourth edition later added. So initially 1.0 release simply here. In 1.1 divided into 3 editions. 3 editions in 1.1 Java divided into 3 editions. So 1.1 divided into 1.1 divided into 3 editions. 3 editions. First one, yes, Java SE. Of course, yesterday little bit introduction given. So called as J2SE. It says J2SE. JTSE. Okay, JTSE. So Java Standard Edition. SE stands for Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Yes, Java SE. Java Standard Edition. It says Java Standard Edition. Okay. Second one, yes, JW. Yes, J2SE. J2W. Calling it J2W here. J2W. Here this is Java Enterprise. Java, yes, Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition here. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Next, third one, JME Mobile Edition. J2ME. Okay, Java Mobile Edition here. So Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile. Shifting problem. Okay. Java Mobile Edition. So these are 3 editions of Java. Initially, Java released. So JDK 1.1, Java divided into 3 editions: Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, next Mobile Edition. After that, next version JDK 1.2. Next after this 1.3, next 1.4. Like the different versions here: 1.4, 1.5. Yes, 1.5 called as higher version here. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5 major changes were done here. So JDK 1.5 in this version, major changes were done. JDK, yes, major changes were done here. Major changes were done here. So major changes were done here. So JDK 1.5 major changes for this called a Tiger version. Here this is called as Tiger version. Yes, see, different versions, different names were given. Different versions, the different names were given. Yes, I'll tell you. Version and its name. Next, features. Version wise features we'll discuss. Version wise features I'll explain. Don't worry. So JDK, yes, 1 second. So whatever I'm explaining here, everything is in a document. Don't worry about notes. You guys don't worry about notes. Everything is there in document here. Let me show the document also parallelly. Java documents. Yes, 2nd August updated, recently updated documents. Yesterday only updated the documents. So this is our class document. Here this is around, yes, 570 page document. This is. Once again. F529, 529 page documents. 1 second. Right, this is control home. It's taking the end. Just a minute. Here, these are basics. Yes, don't worry about basics. I'll explain. Still time is that basics. Just to Java introduction. After that, we'll go for these basics also. These things also we'll discuss, interpret and compare and all these things here. Yes, today topic. This is features. Java features, independent platform, portability, scalability, and these things here. These things. See version, different version. See this today topic. SC, WME. These are two topics. Okay. Yes, it's a downloadable document. I'll share to your Gmail ID. You can download. It's downloadable. Document softwares are downloadable. You can download it. I'll share. I'll share to your Gmail ID. You can download it. Don't worry. See these versions. JDK 1.5 Tiger version. Yes, version wise names and year. Yes, version wise features we'll discuss next. Wait. Okay. Yes. So called as Tiger version. It's a Tiger version. Tiger version. JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Yes, in this Tiger version here, see fourth edition added. Fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition called as FX. Java FX. JFX. Java FX. Java FX. Okay. Java FX. Java FX. Java FX for using for usual effects here. Java FX. It's a fourth edition. So this is JDK 1.5. Okay. Now releasing JDK 1.5 with JDK 1.5. Yes, Java got the success. Finally got the success. Okay. At JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. Yes, JDK 1. Major changes were done, called as Tiger version. Yes, released. This was released in the year 2004. In the year 2004. Yes, this is my live experience. Okay. Yes, every version of Java I worked. JDK 1.5. So called as Tiger version. Yes, released in the year 2004. So when it was released initially 1995. Initially 1995. So finally, by the JDK 1.5, Java got the success. JDK 1.5 Java got success. Almost it was taken for 10 years to got the success because it's a new product in the market here. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.5 Java got the success. Okay. Next later so many features, so many versions. JDK 1.5. Next JDK yes 1.6. Next JDK 1.6. Next JDK 1.7. Next JDK 1.8 called Java 8 from this around Java 8 here. Java 8. Next Java 9. Yes, Java 11. Yes, Java 13. These were released. Java 16 also there, but not released. Okay, but not official release here, but not released officially. Up to 16 is there, but 16 not yet released. So still under testing only here. Up to 13 released here. Yes, industry using up to 9. Java 8 and Java 9 using here. Now currently industry using Java 8 and Java 9. Okay. Yes, in our office we are using Java 9. We are using Java. Current project we are using Java 9. So Java 11 and 13. Yes, already we did. Our team did R&D on this Java 11 and 13 also. Yes, next project may be moving to Java 11 also. Okay, Java 11, 13 some extra features. That features I'll explain. So what is 11 and 13? That features, what are the features were introduced? I'll explain very clearly. Yes, already we did R&D. Our whole team, complete team did R&D on 11:30 also. So next project may be chance of implementing Java 11. Okay. Yes. So there are different versions like this. 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 9, 11, 13 like this. Okay, up to 13th version we'll discuss everything here. So finally here, see finally, Java divided into 4 editions, right? Java divided into 4 editions. Java divided into 4 editions. First 3. These things. 4 editions. Yes, next to 4th one, FX. JFX. Okay. So FX. Yes. Yes, JavaFX. Okay. Yes, what is SE here? Java's transition. It's a Java technology. Java's transition. Just it's a Java technology here. Java technology. So our syllabus is SE. Means we are learning Java technology. Just learning Java technology. After learning Java technology, next one application development. So that's enterprise here. Enterprise. Say enterprise. Okay, this is a Java application development. These application developments. Yes, this is application developments. Okay, application developments. See applications. When come to applications here, yes, applications. There are 2 types of applications. First one is web application. Web application. Second one, enterprise application. Enterprise. Yes, web applications and enterprise applications. What's the difference here? What is web application? What is enterprise application? With Java, we can develop both here. Okay, with Java, we can develop both here. See, enterprise applications in this area, Java is a leader, no doubt. Web applications using Python also can develop web application. Python, Django or Flask. Python frameworks. In Python's frameworks like Django and Flask available. With that, we can develop web application. But Python is not fit for this enterprise application. Java is a leader in this area, enterprise applications. So what is web application? What is enterprise application? Okay. See, web application. Yes, web application. It's a 3-tier architecture. 3-tier architecture means may not be understanding. Yes, at this stage may not be understanding. So what is exact web application? Web application, yes, this one handle small number of transactions. Small number of transactions. Small number of transactions. Less number of transactions here. Okay. Less number of transactions. For example, websites, company websites. Yes, company websites. How many visiting company websites? Less members, right? Durga company. How many? Less members. Suppose our company. Okay, D World. Yes, how many? Less members. Visiting site, checking about company. How many will check about company? Checking about company. less members visiting that websites, right? That kind of applications are web applications. Less number of transactions. Okay, this is 3-tier architecture application. So exactly, technically speaking, it's a 3-tier. It's a 3-tier application. 3-tier means client, application, and database. Only 3 things. They say client means your browser. Suppose your mobile. From your mobile, some visiting some sites, maybe Durga websites. Your mobile is a client. Durga website is the app. The Durga website connect to one database. That's database. So client. So only 3-tier means just a client. Clients. This is a client. Next app, server side app. Then database, DB, database. That's 3-tier. The 3-tier here. Entire means, yes, if it is handling huge number of transactions, middleware comes. Clients, application, between application database, some middleware comes. See, this is 3-tier web application. Enterprise is a entire, more than 3-tier. Yes, enterprise applications like clients, application, database. Between that, maybe middleware comes. Middleware comes. So why middleware means to handle large number of transactions. Okay. Yes, may not be understanding at this stage. May not be understanding. Yeah, this topic, I think, even I should not explain. This is may not be understanding. Okay, beginners may be a lot of confusion with this. Yes, see web application simple, it's very simple. Web application, less number of transactions. Yes, web application, less number of transactions. The enterprise application means huge number of transactions, huge large scale transactions, large scale transactions, large scale transactions here. Enterprise application handling large scale transaction. Enterprise application large scale transaction like Facebook. Facebook is a large scale transactions. Flipkart large scale transactions. Amazon online services. Yes, large scale transactions. So many applications handling large scale transactions. That kind of applications called as enterprise application. So any application large scale transaction, that is called as enterprise application. Yes, in enterprise application development, Java is a leader, no doubt. Yes, in enterprise application, Java is a leader. Okay, no software is a competitor for this. Suppose web application development means, yes, in that case, you can use Python or AngularJS and others, .NET, something like this. But enterprise application, Java is the leader, no doubt. Okay, so here SE, Java standardization, it's a Java technology. Is it Java technology? Enterprise, it's application development. Enterprise, it's application development. That application may be web application or enterprise application. Web application, enterprise, both we can develop in Java. Both we can develop in Java. Enterprise, web applications. Web application handling less number of transactions. Enterprise application handling large scale transaction. Okay. Yes. Less number of transactions. Enterprise application. Yes, large scale transactions here. Large scale. So what is enterprise meaning itself? Large scale business called as enterprise. Enterprise means large scale business is enterprise. Okay. So web application, enterprise application difference is that. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Java is, yes, leader in this area. Enterprise application developer, Java is leader. No one competitor with this Java here. Web application means, yes, we can use Python, or you can use .NET, or you can use AngularJS, other softwares also. But enterprise application only Java is fit in this area. Okay. Yes. So here Java standardization technology, enterprise application development. Yes, all the frameworks comes out this application development. All the frameworks. Okay. Next, mobile application development. Java is poor this area. Yes, mobile application development. Android is the best suitable. Mobile application development. Effects, visual effects. Java is not fit in this area. Okay. Yes, visual effects. Many tools available. Visual effect tools available in the market here. Okay. So these two, Java this area using Java. Okay. So standardization features. What are the features of standardization here? See, yesterday already we discussed. So this topic already yesterday discussed. 1 second. Java standardization. See, yesterday topic. Let us go to yesterday. See, these is our syllabus. Okay. Yes, maybe feeling bored. Same topic if I am repeating here. Yes, yesterday already explained here. Okay, that enterprise features. Just let me copy and paste after I'll explain here. Okay. Again, typing and explaining means maybe feeling bored. Yes. See, Java standardization is our syllabus. Java standardization. First is software basics. Starting with software basics. All the software basics. Yes, before going to Java starting some software basics here. Even non-IT background guys also can understand this topic. My intention is here, everyone has to understand my classes. Everyone has to understand my classes. Non-IT background guys also can understand this. Okay. See, one surprise thing I'll tell you is 6 o'clock batch. 6 o'clock batch, some, I think, 9th standard kid attending, school kid attending. Yes, he happily learning Java. Just 9th standard kid, I think 9th standard kid. Yes, 9th only. 9th standard kid attending Java class. Yes, he's doing good. Okay. Yes, my classes are like a spoon feeding. I'll explain very clearly. Very clearly. Everyone can understand. Okay. So starting software basics, all the basics here. Basics. Basics like so what is OS? Next, what are languages like low level language, high level languages, low level, high level languages, after generation of languages. Okay, next interpreter and compiler. These are some basics, fundamentals. Even fundamentals, there are some unknown facts. Some guys are having 10 years of experience in Java or the other field. They don't know about these kind of fundamentals. Okay. Suppose any of your friends maybe having 10 years of experience software field, just you ask them, what's the difference between interpreter and compiler? Yes, they can't tell exact answer. Yes, I'll explain very clearly. What is interpreter? What is the differences? Just you ask them, they can't answer properly. Okay, there are some fundamentals here. Next, just you ask how many generation of languages. Just you ask them, no answer. This also, no answer. Okay, so these fundamentals we'll discuss. So starting with fundamentals, all these fundamentals. After that, Java features explaining. Okay, yes. Right, yes. Software basics. Next, core part of Java, like data types, operators, control statement. They are all features, SE features. Same our syllabus. Our syllabus are same here. SE features. Software basics, core part of Java. Yes, next after OOPS features. OOPS. Okay. Yes. See, in core part of Java, this is core compiler part, data types, operators, control statement, this area. Yes, around 75 programs I'll explain. Totally 300 examples I'll explain. By the time of finishing course, 300 examples I'll be explaining here. Next, after OOPS features. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction. See, encapsulation and data abstraction to achieve data security. Actually, before OOPS, we have the C language. Before OOPS, there is a C language. In C language, don't have data security. In C language, everything is global. Data is global. Functions global. So data is global. Since data is global, there is no security for data. To achieve data security, OOPS was introduced. Yes, OOPS. Initially, OOPS was there with these two features: encapsulation, data abstraction. Encapsulation, data abstraction. Later added so many features. So many features. The two OOPS features we'll discuss separately here. Java OOPS different. Complete OOPS is different here. OOPS is having more than 10 features. OOP is having more than 10 features. OOP is having the OOPS concept is having more than 10 features here. Okay. Yes, all the OOPS concepts, features tested in C language. OOPS programming. OOP added to C language, added to C language, added to C language, added to C language. OOP added to C language, added to C language, and named as C++. C language and OOPS is a C++. Okay, so OOPS concept initially tested in C language and named as C++. C language plus OOPS. Yes, all the features of OOPS can be implemented in C++. C++ supports all the 100% OOPS features here. Java 80%, Python 90%. OOP is having more than 10 features. C++ supports all the features because yes, all OOPS features initially tested in C++, later taken into Java and taken into Python. Okay, C language plus OOPS is C++. What is C++? C++ increment operator, right? Increment operator. C language C plus plus, C equal to C plus 1, right? Plus plus means increment by 1. C plus 1. So C plus 1. So what is this one? This one is a C language plus one step increment is C language C plus plus. This one is a hoop C language plus C plus that one step is hoop. That is a story behind of this. Why named as C plus plus? C language plus hoop is a C plus plus. Okay, BJarness Toastrap has developed C plus plus. BJarness Toastrap. C language by the Dennis Ritchie. C language by the Dennis Ritchie. C plus plus by the BJarness Toastrap. Okay, so C plus plus, C language plus hoops is C plus plus. Okay, C plus plus supports all the features of hoops. 100%. 100% of features, but Java only 80% of features. Yes, the differences I'll explain. C++ versus Java versus Python. The topic we'll see next. Okay. Yes. So these are the whoops features here. Yes. All these whoops features. Java whoops features here. Java whoops features. Yes, we'll discuss about this. Whoops. Next, string buffer, string to organizer. The classes. Okay, to handle strings here. Depends on scenarios, we can use different kind of things. Next, wrapper classes to make everything is an object here. Next, exception handling, collections, IOS teams, file handling. In file handling, real time project will discuss data processing here. So different kind of files. Networking topic. Next, multi-threading. Yes. So our syllabus is up to multi-threading and all features of this. All different versions here. 1.0, 1.1 up to 13 features we'll discuss. Next, yes, advanced. Yeah, this JDBC. JDBC comes on SE only. Java standardization. Java standardization here. SE. Okay, AWT updates. These are outdated. No one is seeing. So these are about SE features. SE features. Now let us see enterprise features. Enterprise. So what is enterprise here? Enterprise. Just to give me some idea about enterprise. Yes, enterprise. Yes, it's a collection of. Yes, it's a collection of server sites. Server sites. Collection of server sites. Server side services. Services. Server side services and frameworks. Okay. Enterprise. It's a collection of server side services and frameworks. Services and frameworks here. So what are the services here? Services. Server side services. Let us say about server side services. These are like servlets. Second one, JSP here. JSP. Yes. Next, EZB. Next, RMI. Yes. Next, JMS. Java Messaging Service. JMS. Yes. Java Mail API here. Java Mail API. Yes. Next, log for Java. Log4j. Log for Java. Next, XML parsers. Yes. Next, JSON data parsers. Yes. Next, yes, Excel parsers. Of course, these are actually in even top. You say comes under framework. Yes, comes under this enterprise. I will cover in your syllabus also. We'll discuss how to parse Excel data, JSON data, XML data. This we'll discuss. I'll explain in your syllabus. In course of itself, I'll explain. Okay. So these are server side services. Next, come to frameworks. What are the frameworks here? Frameworks. Let us see frameworks. What are the Java frameworks? Java frameworks. First one. Yes. First framework in Java is Struts. Struts framework. Okay, Struts framework. Yes, almost this is outdated. Struts framework, this is MEC architecture using for web application development. Struts framework, it's MEC architecture using for web application here. This is for web applications, not for enterprise applications, web applications, web application development. MEC, model view and controller, Struts framework. Yes, next second one, Spring framework, Spring framework. Yes, third one, Hibernate frameworks, Hibernate framework. Yes, next. See, Spring and Hibernate mostly used frameworks in application development. So Spring and Hibernate, here this is yes using for both web and enterprise, both are web applications plus enterprise, both for both enterprise applications apps. Both cases you can use this one here. Web applications, enterprise applications, for both you can use here. Okay. Yes, Spring framework to develop GI and server-side programming. Hibernate is to access database. Between application and database, this Hibernate framework using here. Okay. Here, what is framework? First of all, framework. What does mean? Framework means ready-made one. Framework means ready-made one, ready to use. So without writing much coding, we can develop the application. Framework. Without writing much codes, we can develop the applications here. Main advantage of the framework is to reduce the codes. Reducing codes within short time finishing projects. See, previously, before framework came to the market here, previously, to develop the project may be taking for 2 years, 1.5 year, 2 years, much time, because every code we should develop. After framework came to picture here, all ready-made things available, readily available code and everything, readily available predefined classes available here. Framework, it is ready-made classes, predefined code is available. But directly can use framework classes and can develop the application within short time. Yes, 3 months also, within 3 months also you can finish application. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Yes, recently, yes, just 4 years ago, we have developed some GST project, GST application. Within 3 months, we have completed using Spring framework. GST application, totally 4 modules. Within 3 months, we have finished it because of that frameworks. So framework is a ready-made one, ready to use here. Main advantage of framework is we can reduce the codes within short time. We can finish the projects. Okay. Ready-made. For example, here I'll tell you one example to understand this one here. Suppose nowadays constructing bridges construction. See Hyderabad, many flyovers constructing rates. Within short time they are finishing bridges within 6 months and 4 months. How? See, very old days they used to lay the pillars first, constructing pillars, on top of pillars laying bridge. It's a time taken. Now what they are doing here, simply they are constructing pillars. After that they are assembling bridge. Blocks, ready-made blocks available. Simply they are bringing ready-made blocks, just assembling bridge also assembling, they are assembling ready-made blocks available. So within short time finishing, that ready-made one readily available. So within short time finishing. Same framework is a ready-made classes. Framework is a ready-made one, ready-made classes. So using ready-made one, we can reduce the code here. Within short time we can finish application developments. Within short time we can finish. Okay. Yes. So Spring framework and Hibernate frameworks. Okay. Next, for this Hadoop framework. Hadoop also part of Java. Hadoop also part of Java here. Hadoop framework. This also part of Java here. Hadoop framework. Sorry. Hadoop framework. Yes. Next. Yes. Spark framework. Hadoop and Spark frameworks. So there are the frameworks here. Okay. Hadoop and Spark. So this is to handle big data here. To store. This is to store and process big data, big data to store and process big data. Hadoop framework using to store and process big data, big data. Yes, Spark also same big data. Spark also for big data. The difference is here. Hadoop framework can handle big data. Suppose sometimes very huge amount of data getting. Yes, that is Spark framework. Okay, big data, of course, big data framework, but very huge amount of data. More than the Hadoop. Spark is more than the Hadoop here. Okay, very huge amount of data. If you're handling very huge amount of data, that case you can go for the Spark framework. Next, one more framework is there. Ignite framework. Yes, this also for big data only here. Very huge amount of data. Very huge amount of data. Okay. Yes, Hadoop big data more than that. Generally here, petabytes of data we can handle with this Hadoop here. Petabytes, terabytes of data. Okay, right? Yes, Spring framework. This is using exabytes of data. Yes, Ignite framework is for zettabytes of data, but this is the framework not yet released in market. But currently they are working on it. Okay, in future maybe chance of using this. See, top 10,000 companies, big data companies, they are using Hadoop. Top 10,000 companies. Top 100 companies using Spark framework. Top 100 companies. Ignite not yet using here. This Ignite not started using here. Maybe chance 2025, maybe chance of using this also. Because 2025, lot of business, a lot of big data generating. Okay, for example, YouTube generating lot of data every day. Facebook generating lot of data every day. So that kind of applications, how to maintain big data, right? To maintain big data here, yes, our traditional systems failing, like Oracle database and general Java applications are failing here. That is big data applications like Hadoop framework and Spark framework. Yeah, these are also part of Java. These are also part of Java frameworks here. All these are Java frameworks. Okay. See, after finishing core Java, you can go to this part or this part. There are two streams in this. In frameworks, two streams. After finishing your course, you can go to this one. Suppose if you go to this one, this area, you are a Java developer. Yes, after finishing your core Java, yes, if you move into this area, yes, you are a Java developer. Suppose if you move into this area, you are a big data developer. That's it. Or else you can go to testing also. Yes, here after finishing core Java best using for testing. Selenium tool. Core Java required compulsory. Without Core Java, you can't work on Selenium tool. Yes, after finishing Core Java, you can become Java developer, or you can become big data developer, or you can become tester. Any of these things you can choose. Okay, so this is enterprise. This is means application development. Enterprise, all this comes under application development. It's application development. Okay. Yes, if we strong in this area, yes, Java transition. If we strong in this area, enterprise applications development becomes easy here. Suppose if weak here, yes, may not be here. Most of the interviews will be on the core Java. Yes, most of the companies, they will focus on core Java. If you good at core Java, then easy to work on enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are very simple here. Frameworks are very simple, easy to understand frameworks. No coding the frameworks. Easy to work on the frameworks. So generally, most of the companies they will concentrate on core Java. They will focus on core Java. If you're good at core Java, they will take you. As companies, they will take you here if you're good at core Java. Okay. So next level frameworks, they will train you. The thing is, you must be good at Java transition. That's it. Yes, you don't worry, guys. I'll make you export this area. Don't worry. So what are I'm working? So what are things I'm using in my projects? Same thing I'll explain here. So this is complete Java. Okay. So what is Java? Java is an OOPS language. Simple answer here. Yes, SOUP stands for Object Oriented Programming, JDK, Java Development Kit. So first 1.0 in the year 1995. Okay, this is from the Sunsoft. Okay, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation in year 2010. First version released with main features like independent platform, portability, OOPS, scalability, security. Yes, tomorrow topic this is. Yes, what is independent platform? How Java made us independent platform? Next is portability. What is portability? What's the advantage of portability? Next, what is OOPS language? These features tomorrow topic will discuss. Tomorrow I'll be explaining about these features. After finishing these features, then installing Java and Java programming starts. Installing Java. So tomorrow about all these features. After finishing these features, next I'll go to Java installation. Means day after tomorrow, Java installation starting here. Java installation and Java first programming explaining here. Programming starts. Tomorrow topic this is. Okay. Yes. So next different editions like this. We discussed one by one all of these things here. So our syllabus is Java Standardization. Yes, in our syllabus first starting with basics. Okay. After finishing features, we'll go to the basics here. Next core part, data types and operators. Java programming starts. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow topic is Java features. Yes. Yes, guys. Any doubts? So this is complete Java. This is Java overview we discussed. Java SE features, next enterprise features and frameworks. Complete Java overview. This is complete Java contents. In the total contents, our part is SE. In the total contents, our part is SE, Java Standardization. Means Java technology. We are learning Java technology. Yes, in this course, yes, we'll discuss on projects. Yes, data processing at the server side. We'll discuss on real-time projects. Okay, finally, all the features, version-wise features also we'll discuss. Okay, yes. Any doubts? Yes, guys, any doubts? Yes, do you have any doubts? Yes, tomorrow entering into Java subjects. Java features will be discussing and all this. Okay, so overview of Java yesterday about course contents that introduction completed. Today Java introduction completed. Yesterday course introduction and about me completed. Today Java introduction. The Java overview. Java, what is exactly Java? Java contains what? Yes, in that what is our part? So this thing discussed. So tomorrow starting classes. Actual classes starting. Okay, you can see no issue. 2 more classes you can see and decide it. Okay, no problem. Thursday demo classes up to Thursday you can see, then decide it. Okay, yes. Any doubts? Yes, any doubts, guys? If no doubts, yes, let us wind up session for today. For today enough. Tomorrow we'll start the classes. Tomorrow same time 7:30 exactly here. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. 1.5 hour class tomorrow exactly. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys. Any doubts? Anyone wanted to speak? Yes. Unmute it. Yes. Yes. Anyone wanted to speak? Yes. Unmuted everyone here.
हेलो सर.
Yeah. Tell me.
सर मैं गीतांजलि बोल रही हूँ ओडिशा से. एक्चुअली सर आप बोले थे कि जो भी क्लास होगा उसका रिकॉर्डिंग मेल पे आएगा, डेमो क्लास का नहीं आएगा क्या?
हेलो.
क्लास का?
मैं बोली कि डेमो क्लास का नहीं आएगा क्या?
हेलो.
ये डेमो क्लास है ना ये डेमो क्लास मेल आए है ना आपको लिंक अंदर ऑल ये रिकॉर्डिंग के बारे में कैन यू टेल मी एक्जैक्टली?
हाँ, मैं बोली कि डेमो क्लास का भी रिकॉर्डिंग आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, वही बोल रही थी।
रिकॉर्डिंग आएगा आएगा। I'll share the recording. Okay.
नहीं।
रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं नहीं, कल से आते, कल से।
ओके ओके। ओके
Yes.
सर। ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Only just only introduction given. Introduction, I think this introduction is not complete. From actual classes onwards, I will share the recordings. Don't worry. Okay. Right. From tomorrow,
ओके
कल
सर,
से
ओके
आएगा.
सर, थैंक यू सर।
Yeah. Yeah. So that's it for today. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow. So tomorrow same time 7:30, same link till Saturday. Right. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.